Look how he dodged that, Joy. Look how he dodged that. Yo, what's good, y'all? It's boy the Million, the Dime, back in the cut with Chainsaw Man episode 10. Last episode followed up episode 8 pretty amazingly, not gonna lie. Episode 9 was fire too. Makima, she's a freaking beast. Her ability is crazy. I don't know what kind of contract she has with what devil or whatever, but I don't even know if that's a contract because they had to blindfold themselves. We don't know what she did, but just know when she gets that form ready and like she gets this preparation set up, it's nasty. But yeah, she did all that from Kyoto. You know what I mean? So that was crazy. Yeah, that was insane, bro. That was wild. And then we saw old girl Kobane. Kobane is a freaking savage, bro. She went out there and she slaughtered them boys, man. Made them look silly. Oh boy, who fought Denji, the sword devil dude, and the other chick, dang, I said I was gonna remember her name. What was her name again? Sawatari, I think. She booked it, bro. She didn't want no smoke with Kobane, bro. So Kobane really liked that. Even though they already fought Aki and Denji and all of them, so they were probably not as strong. They were still able enough, I think, to fight, but they had a dip that was too much. Plus, obviously, you had freaking Makima going crazy. I wonder why Makima didn't choose those two's names and kill them. Maybe she has a limitation to it, or maybe she doesn't know them. I don't even know how she's getting these names, to be honest with you. So, yeah, that's it. That's just crazy, bro. That ability is insane. Kobane was fire. She said she wanted to quit though, so hopefully that doesn't happen because we do need somebody that good right now in the squad. And yeah, a lot of these guys died, man. Arai died protecting Kobane, so RIP to him. A lot of those other guys, I think some of the guys we had dinner with, those guys died as well. So yeah, it ain't sweet out here, bro. It is not sweet at all. So that was pretty revealing right there, just to see how drastic things can change in the show. And then obviously we had old boy at the end. I think his name was Makoto or something like that. He resigned, but he was probably strong too because he was able to survive. But he said, no, I'm done, bro. Like, I'm not putting myself in no more danger like this, bro. So he's out of here. But he did mention that maybe Makima did know that would all take place. So how he knew that and how Makima would even know that, I don't know. But yeah, right now she's going back to Tokyo with these two guys, or this one guy and this one girl that she brought with her to train, I guess the squads. And now she's the head of these. She's the head of squads 1 through 4, I believe. So, yeah, a lot of stuff took place, bro. Craziness. But let's get to it. Episode 10. It's called Bruised. Dang, called Bruised and Battered. All right, let go.
昨日午後、練馬駅前のしかし相手は悪魔だけでなく人間だとの目撃情報もあり、詳細は未だはっきりとは判明して。
やかましいわ。
Aki, let's go. Aki's still alive. Let's get it. Wait, who said shut up? That sounded like Power's voice, but last time I checked, Power dipped. So I don't know who that said shut up right there. But this episode finally feels like it's a cool down episode. Because I was like, ain't no way, bro. Back to back, bro. That would be crazy. So I'm expecting it to be really good, but at the same time, I'm not expecting it to be at the same height as episode 8 and 9. Like, that would be that would be crazy, bro. Because right now, we in the hospital, we chilling, you know what I mean? Recovering. They bruised and battered. Look at Power. Nah, if I'm Aki, bro, and I see Power right there, I'm like, where were you? Bro, she didn't do nothing. She ran and then now she wants to come back. You can't tell me she can just get away with that, bro. She can't just be leaving the battle scene and not doing nothing. Like, she can't be doing that and getting away with it, bro. I'm sorry. That's not cool. Power just coming back now, like after she just dipped. That's some that's some real like trash stuff, bro. Like, that's nah.
ダメだ。全部俺んだ。敵から逃げたやつに食わせるリンゴはね。
Right.
逃げたんじゃない。お腹が空いたから帰っただけじゃん。
Oh, got it, got
ビ
it.
ビリ。
四川四川誰が生き残ってる？
小紅ってチビとメガネの男も生き残ったみたいだけど、公安辞めたんだと。
Yeah, dang.
俺とパワコはマキマさんに呼ばれてるから帰るぜ。
見舞いの果物を食いに来ただけじゃん。
I don't like Power, bro. I'm just, I'm not liking what she acting, bro. She really chilling. I get it. She's a freaking, what's her name? She's a, what do they call her? She's a freaking fiend, bro. You know what I mean? But like, I don't like her, bro. I don't like Power, bro. Like, nah, I'm not with that. That's not cool, bro. You're not just going to come back here talking about the audacity too to be talking about you on an apple, bro. Boy, oh my goodness, bro. That's annoying to see, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Like, whatever, bro. Okay, all right.
一個だけ残しといてやるよ。じゃあな。
Dang, Aki. And it's like why too? Like why are you targeting these guys, man?
俺はあと何年生きれる？
Oh dang. Oh. What? 2 years, bro. Are you serious? And he's smoking. Okay. Oh man, that sucks, man. What? How old is Aki, bro? Oof. Damn, bro. Fire. That's, man. It's alright. It's alright, Aki. Let's let it out. Damn, that sucks, man.
忘れた漫画取りに戻ったら泣いてんだけど。まあそりゃ泣くよな。あれ？俺は全然泣けないんだけど。
Damn, he's like questioning himself, like, yo.
ポチタが死んだ時は悲しかったな。初めて友達になろうっつってくれた人なのに。俺、
Right.
ひどくね？パワーが死んだら泣けるか？
Heck no.
泣けねえかな。あいつが死んだら泣けねえな。
Wow. Is it because he's fused with
マキマさんが
Pochita?
死んだら
If Makima died, probably right.
多分俺はしばらくへこむけど、3日後には楽しく毎日を過ごせてると思う。
Okay.
朝昼晩食って寝て
Dang.
風呂入れりゃ俺最高だもん。
Wow, really?
心臓だけじゃなく人の心までなくなっちまったのか。まあシリアスなことは考えなくていいか。
Nah, that was deep. That was
楽
deep,
しく
bro.
ねえこと考えても楽しくねえだけだからな。
Hold on, man. You
さっさと
gotta
マキマさんに会いに行こ
figure that out, bro. Like, what's up with that? Oh, these are two from Kyoto. Y'all didn't see this? Okay.
失礼します。私たちマキマさんに頼まれて京都から得意4課を指導に来ました。
指導？
だから4課を強化しようと思ったんだけど、ほとんど死んじゃったね。
う。マキマさんが指導してくれるんですか？
残念だけど私は忙しくなっちゃうから適任を紹介するね。君たちを指導するのは彼だよ。
Oh, this the dude with the who's always smoking. Okay. Yeah, we never really got introduced to him.
彼の名前は
黙れ。俺の質問に答えろ。
Okay. What's up?
仲間が死んでどう思った？
Oh.
別に
死んだと思った。
敵に復讐したいか？
復讐とか暗くて嫌いだね。
わしも。
お前たちは人と悪魔どっちの味方だ？
俺を面倒見てくれる方。
勝ってる方。
Whoever that's winning. All right, Power. Whoever that's winning, why don't you just? All right, I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna stop right now, bro. Cause Power really really getting me activated right now, bro. I'm not gonna lie. He's like perfect.
お前たち100点だ。 素晴らしい。
Subarashi.
大好きだ。
Okay. His voice actor is pretty cool.
おい
マキマ、お前は帰れ。今すぐこいつらは指導だ。
Oh, right now. Okay.
じゃああとはよろし
I
く
want to see what Makino's gonna do though. Like, what? Why is he gonna be busy?
俺は得意一家でデビルハンターをや
Oh,
る。
Division 1. Okay, what's up?
先生と呼ばれると気持ちよくなれるから先生と呼んで。
Alright, so do that. Okay.
好きなのは酒と女と悪魔を殺すことだ。
Alright.
は
Oh, I thought he killed him or something. Oh, okay. Just knock him out? Alright. What's his name? We didn't get his name.
きれい
お前たちの筋肉と骨の仕組みは俺たちと同じだ。首の骨を俺は動けなく
He did kill him, basically. What the
人間
heck?
と違うの。血を飲めば復活するとこだな。
That's sick, though.
何しやがるてめえ。
お前の心臓がなぜか知らんが銃の悪魔に狙われている。なのにお前が簡単にやられる雑魚だから困ってんだろうな。俺は人間を鍛えたことはあるが、お前たちみたいな悪魔は一度もない。
Okay.
酔った俺はどうしようかと考えた。そしてアルコールにやられた脳でついにひらめいた。俺は最強のデビルハンターだ。
Oh.
最強の俺を倒せる悪魔は最強なわけだから、
Oh, okay.
お前たちが俺を倒せるようになるまで、
Mm.
俺はお前たちを追い続ける。
Okay. He's the strongest one?
こいつ頭が終わっておる
も
Y'all better get ready.
じゃあ最強。
デンジ
Y'all didn't like hear what he said though. Sometimes like I wonder like do these anime characters like do y'all hear what people just say? You know what I mean? Like he said, "I'm the strongest devil hunter. I'm going to hunt you until." It's like, why are y'all that confident? Especially Power is ready to dip when you know what I mean. You're ready to dip against these guys who he's probably stronger than. He's probably stronger than the ones that she ran from. But she's over here talking about something. Well, you go with the hammer. All right. Weave. Oh shoot! With the blade, okay. Dang, that boy quick as heck. Oh, through the head. Oh. Ah. Goodbye. Dang. Ugh. Slit her throat.
男の方は不
The
死。
boy's immortal.
魔人の方は半
Semi.
とっさに人の頭をぶん殴れる脳みそを持っていて、
Mm.
二人に人権はない。俺はガキの頃から力が強くておもちゃをすぐ壊しちゃう。
Oh damn. Oh, he's different.
壊れないおもちゃが欲しかったんだ。
Oh, and here you go.
俺がお前たちを最高に
What's his name, bro? Who are you? Okay. Colin.
コン
What happened? Oh, what?
ほら出てけえへんやろ。
Really?
君は狐を無茶に使って嫌われた。
Oh, wow.
もう二度と狐は使わせても
Are
らえへ
you
ん。
serious? Never again?
その刀も呪いの
Come on. Abused it, bro? He didn't abuse it. Like, that was one time, at least that we know of. One time. And it was like, oh, you fed me something that wasn't human or devil. Like, relax. It was one time, bro. It didn't. Like, yo. Never again? And now he got the cursed devil, which is like taking his freaking life away. Nah, bro. Aki, bro. Oh, man. He might need some new contracts or something.
不謹慎やけど今回の事件でやめ時やと思いましたけど
Mm.
実際
続けるなら続けるでそれなりの覚悟を君にはしてもらう。覚悟。そう覚悟。
やめへんならもっと強い悪魔と契約して
Okay.
追加に貢献してもらわなあかんみたいです。
公安やめて残りの人生楽しむか公安続けて地獄を見るか。
Bro, I got 2 years apparently, so I'm staying, bro. What?
家族を殺
Came this far?
なのになんでやめる
Right, like who are you talking to right now? Exactly. Come on, man.
そうですか。
わかりました。京都先輩の言葉はほんまでしたわ。得意課にはまともなやつはいいひんから気をつけろ。お、女性のお客さん来てますよ。
Who's that? The heck? Who's that? Who is that?
明日家に迎えに行くからな。
He messed them up. Woo! Bruised and battered. Oh, bro.
Yeah.
What? What the heck? What the heck? What the heck? What was that? His brain broke. This man was really killing them, bro. Yo. That's crazy.
20回以上
20
じゃ
at least. And they walking back.
あのじじい強すぎじゃ。
He told
こん
y'all.
な生活
Race.
俺たちおもちゃ扱いしやがってよ。どんどんマジでムカついてきたぜ。
It just shows you like he's really like skilled. Even the way he was drunk too. Maybe if he's sober, he's even stronger, bro. But like the way he was fighting them too, like you can see like how like how tactical and how good he is, because he was able to kill them multiple times. At least kill Denji. He knew like from the first instances that okay, Denji's immortal. She's semi-immortal. So he was killing Denji, but he was leaving Power alive, but just to the point of death. You know what I mean? So he's nasty, bro. He's nasty. Oh, with a knife too. Like that's all we saw. He didn't use no contracts or nothing.
わかった
Okay,
何
Eureka.
が
Go
あ
ahead.
いつを倒す方法じゃ。
Okay.
あいつは超強いが。じゃが、酒で頭がダメになっておれ。
I don't know
わ
about
しら
that.
は頭を使って戦えばいいんじゃ。
Y'all aren't smart.
なるほどな。俺も最近めちゃくちゃ憧れてたぜ。
Really?
漫
Okay.
画とかの頭いいキャラみてえに戦えたらいいなって。
Y'all not them, bro.
あいつをぶっ殺すか。
Okay, for sure.
なんか俺すげえ頭良くなってきた。
Right, right, right.
うぬほか。
あいつらの家は確か。
この血の匂いは来たな、アルチュージジ。
俺たちの日常を壊すやつ。
I got glasses on. Oh, look how he dodged that, Joy. Look how he dodged that. Okay.
頭狙ってきやがった待ち伏せしやがって今度は俺が狩られる側ってわけだな
The hunters on the prey. Okay, okay. Ooh, boy. I'm weaving them. I'm weaving them. That boy cold. Wow, no shoes, no socks. Okay. Get them glasses out of here, boy. Dang. Oh, that was a chin shot.
今までで一番良かったぞ今回の敗因は2つパワーは今の戦い方だと血を使いすぎて本体が貧血になることとデンジが俺の攻撃を予測できなかったところだ今回は良かったからもう終わりだ
We're done for the day. Okay.
パワーか。もう終わりだって。
ラッキーじゃ。
Yeah, we're lucky. Oh, you thought. What the heck?
はい。
獣が狩る言葉を知る
We're not done, boy. We just getting started. Wow. Dang. He finna put him through the ringer.
強い悪魔と契約してもらうっちゅうことは結構むごい契約内容になると思いますけど。
Where is this? I'm trying to see what Makima doing too, bro. Like, what's going on with her? Like, what's keeping her so busy?
公安が生け捕りにした悪魔たちがぶち込まれてる。
Oh, okay.
ここで武器を見つけましょう。関係ないですけど、昨日の美人、彼女さんですか？
すぐそういう話。
Oh yeah, who was that girl?
バディの妹の方です。
Oh, dang.
手紙をもらいました。
Mm.
手紙
Oh, from Himeno? Dang, love letters? Oh, it's like diaries. Oh, okay. Dang. So she just gave it to Aki just so he could like know, I guess, how much she
この部屋にい
cared
る
for
悪魔
him.
とアキ君は契約してもらいます。イルンは未来の悪魔。
The what? The
公安
future
で
though.
こいつと契約している人は2人。
Whoa, hold on. That's a. I was thinking too, like before, like how far this show can go, like with these abilities. Because if you can like make a contract with anything, bro, like that people fear, like you could it could get really creative, bro. So hold on, this is the future because people fear the future a lot. Oh, this is crazy. What is that gonna look like then? The future devil. Oh, that's wild, bro. Okay, they said only two. Who are the two?
1人は寿命半分。
Oh my
もう
god,
1
half
人
the
は
life.
両目と味覚、
Oh.
嗅覚を差し出しています。
What?
気に入られれば安く済みますよ。
Oh man. The future, bro. What the heck? Damn, Aki. Okay. She animation is incredible, man. The heck? It's a one eyeball or what? What? The heck? All right. Yo, this show is so unpredictable. Dang, bro, that was fire, man. Okay, finally though, it was a cool down episode, but it was still fire. Still fire. I love these episodes too, like these training episodes. I'm here for it, bro. Dang. Oh boy, we didn't get his. Did we get his name, bro? We didn't get his name because freaking Amaki was like, "This is," and he was like, "Stop." And I don't think we ever got his name. Maybe I had to go back and see, but like I don't think we got his name, man. But shout out the strongest double hunter in public safety, apparently Division 1. He's really that guy, bro. Hold on, I gotta see. Did we get his name? Hold on, man. Cause I swear we didn't get his name. Alright, we didn't get his name. All we know is that he likes booze and women and killing devils. But we gonna call him Master for right now. The freaking master trainer, bro. Hey, listen, bro. That boy Cole, man. He said he's been like that though. He's been nice since he was a youngin, since he was a jit. You know what I mean? So I guess he finally got some toys now that are unbreakable. Well, semi-unbreakable for power, but basically, you know what I mean, he can really have fun with these guys. So he's gonna train them, and he was like, yo, how can I make these guys stronger? He said, since I'm the strongest one, I guess if I can train a devil to beat me, that will make them the strongest one. So that was his logic. Makes sense, and I'm here with it, bro. He really trained. He putting them through the ringer, bro, for real. These guys are getting killed on a daily basis. That's crazy, bro. Dang. Nah, he's a savage, bro. He's dope. I like it. He's perfect for them too, because he's not all the way there too. You know what I mean? But yeah, I like his character a lot. I'm definitely excited to see more of him and how strong he really is, because the way he only used a knife against them, bro. Just like quick stabs, bro. Like the reflexes on point too. Like, what are his contracts like? Man, I wonder if he's like one of the people that are contracted with the future devil. Maybe not, but who knows. They said one person gave up their freaking eyes, their sense of smell and sight, I think, or sense of smell and taste, and then one person gave up like half their life. That's crazy. But hopefully Aki doesn't lose anything on that level, but he got 2 years left apparently, bro. So I don't know, man. Like, what else can he really take from the dude? Well, he can take some stuff, but like, dang, bro. Like, let's relax. Hopefully it likes him, man. Yeah, it's wild. It's like one eyeball too. Like, what? The future devil. That's crazy. But yeah, Makima. She said she's busy. Busy with what? I really want to know. Like, what is she gonna be doing now? Because she's a whole like she's a whole mystery, bro. Like we don't know who she is, where she came from, what's her backstory. She just like that. So hopefully we get more on Makima. But I am enjoying seeing these new characters, the two with Aki, the advisors, and then also the master trainer. So yeah, fire episode, man. Definitely looking forward to seeing more of this. You know, more of this training and see these guys get stronger, man, for real. So yeah, Himeno, man, her sister came to Aki, gave him letters. I thought it was love letters, but it was just letters that she wrote to her sister. But it was like she was talking about Aki and talking about her life and everything like that. So I guess Aki got a better understanding of how Himeno felt, just being, you know, around him and just, you know, living that life. So I'm assuming that's the reason sister gave it to him, just so she could, I guess, give Aki more of Himeno. And, you know, even though she's dead, he has those letters to kind of just remember her from, or remember her by. But yeah, sad stuff, man. Aki, you know, she said Himeno said he would cry for her, and he definitely did. But yeah, shout out Aki, man. That boy, he's gonna get stronger for sure. I'm confident in that. And Denji and Power, they're gonna have to get stronger too. They're a funny duo, I'm not gonna lie. Denji and Power are some funny guys, man. They say, yeah, we gonna use our intellect to beat them. Yeah, you know, I felt smarter already. I was like, okay. They had like it wasn't like a stupid plan. It was an alright plan too. They had the glasses too, looking stupid as heck. But it was an alright plan. They just didn't know how nice he was. You know, they thought he was not as smart because he was drinking alcohol, but obviously after killing y'all 20 times and doing all this stuff, y'all should know how not dumb he is, you know what I mean? But yeah, he's gonna put them through it, bro. He's gonna put them through it. But I'm here for it, man. I'm definitely here for it. Looking forward to this, man. We didn't get any of Kobane this episode, so I'm assuming that we might get that next one. But I hope she doesn't quit, man, because she's really strong, bro. So if she would have quit, bro, that would suck, man. Like, don't show us how cold she is and then she really quits, bro. That would suck. So hopefully next episode we get more on Kobane and her actually continuing to stay. Chainsaw Man is not letting up at all, bro. So yeah, we got 2 more episodes, I think, until this season is finished. Man, that next season needs to come quick. Season 2 needs to come very quickly, bro, because this is fire. But yeah, if y'all rock with that, do all that stuff in the description. Catch you on the next one. Stay healthy, stay powerful, stay blessed.
Oh, I don't really stress over pressure, I think big. Who am I if I'll take it further than Nip did? Had dreams of being the owner since this big. Gotta set the bar even higher and switch gears.